receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on automatically, alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming.
Right on time today, huh?
Right on time.
Okay. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead, press stop.
What are you doing? Chores.
Hold
Gotta
on.
pitch in, Ruby.
Okay.
You know, as a veteran,
Okay, thank you.
earned USAA
Okay, that's
membership
it?
for
That's
your
it.
family.
That's it for the
weekly
What was
test.
the test?
what test?
Worth a try.
Weekly test.
Weekly test.
Weekly test.
Yes, dear.
Still,
We'll see you.
no.
With the
And the next one.
we'll see you in the next one. We'll
Next
see.
one.
We'll see you on the.
Watch out, whatever you're doing.
We'll see you on the late night TV test transmitter patterns.
Okay. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
All done.